Yeah, my name is Mike Ruscica. I've been a real estate investor since 1999. I own multifamily properties. I got into note investing in 2007. And with my note investing business, it's all about due diligence. Everything that I do revolves around due diligence. And with Jonathan's course, that we have come to this two-day event, I could see how important he relies on due diligence. That is key to the success of every real estate investor or any type of business person. It's all about due diligence. And I've been at real estate investing 25 years. I'm coming away with some really good stuff. I'm 65 years old. I've been doing this for quite a while, and I feel like a newbie. It's awesome. I drove home yesterday. My head was exploding with the amount of information. And so I don't say that lightly. I've been following Jonathan since 2008. I think I'm a pretty good judge of character and talent, and this kid knows what he's doing. Yeah, I came here with kind of low expectations. I thought it was going to be kind of a, like I said, I've been doing this 25 years. I teach the non-performing note business. I know how important information is. And I go to these real estate events. I kind of go with low expectations. And this was not a waste of time. This was a very serious, high level, drill down on. I think the biggest thing that blew me away was learning about zoning and going and looking at a property that is in the wrong zone and making it into an opportunity. That just blew me away. I never saw anything like that. And so yeah, I'm glad I'm here, and it's definitely worthwhile. Yeah, so this event I think is for, like I said, I've been at this a long time, and anyone who wants to be better at looking for opportunity. So many people, I used to drive to my W-2 job and not pay attention to any of the houses that I was going past. And then once I got into real estate, I realized that every frickin' house that's on this route is a potential opportunity. And there's a mortgage behind every house, and there is zoning on every house, and there's opportunity. There's just limitless opportunity, and 98% of the people just don't take advantage of that. Come to an event of this caliber, and it just, I'm really thinking about taking this course.